Hello, welcome to Beta Bit. I'm Emery and I'm from programming.
I'm Justin, I'm from electrical.
Hi, I'm Alex Marker and I'm from mechanical.
This week's Battle of the Beta is the Whisper Challenge.
Great. Alright, so this week programming has been working on the code for autonomous mode.
Well, what?
We've been working on the code for autonomous mode. We've been working for the code for autonomous mode. We've been working for the code for autonomous mode.
The programming
really
is doing like an autonomous mode thingy thing, whatever.
Yeah.
It's programming the robots to do an autonomous thing.
Close.
Okay, so in electrical, we've been wiring the electronics to go into the robot.
Okay.
We have, in electrical, been wiring the electronics for the robot.
You've been wiring the wheels for the robot? What?
The electronics for the robot.
The electronics.
Yes.
You've been wiring the electronics for the robot.
Yes.
In mechanical, we have been making a mechanism that can grab an object and lift it and then carry it somewhere else.
You built an arm to do what?
To lift and to grab and carry an object and put it somewhere else.
You built the grabber?
Sort of, yeah. It's a
I don't know.
Say it's a claw.
it's a claw, yeah.
Open your mouth when you're
I
talking.
did.
Alright, enunciate claw.
The claw.
You were building the claw.
Thank you. Yes.
Alright.
The claw for what?
To grab
the
To grab the block.
to grab the block.
To grab the block.
See, great. Good job.
See, senor.
Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll see you next time in Beta in a bit.